The American people are saying, you know what? We can't afford health care now. And you, Mr. Trump, want to double health care premiums for over 20 million people.
When I retired, it was my first encounter with the marketplace. It was doable. Taking money that we'd saved and we received for retirement, I was able to pay, it was at the time, I think, $450 a month. July was kind of weird. I got a statement that included the fact that my subsidy covers half of my insurance. So it'll double to a little over $800 a month. And that's not considering the fact that insurance is going to increase inevitably. I'm probably looking at $1,000 or more a month to have a low-level bronze healthcare program that has a $9,000 deductible per person. I'm only one.
I can't afford at least a plan as good as I have now without the tax credits. I don't know if I'll be able to afford any of it. We'll see. I just got a letter in the mail saying, we can't calculate your rates for next year, but they're going to go up. Probably the credits are expiring. And I know other small business owners who've said the same thing. It's if my healthcare costs go up, I am going to have to raise the prices of the products and services that I'm providing.
I was on the ACA for a year a few years ago, and it was an affordable, great way to get coverage for a year when I was just adjuncting, teaching a few courses. At first I thought, wow, great. It will be fine because even if I can't find a job, I'll just live off savings for a couple months and then get an ACA plan. And then I read an article in NPR talking about how the premiums were going to go up 75% starting in the new year. And I realized, this is lining up exactly with the time where I will need the ACA. It just feels like they don't care to me, that they're not actually thinking about how much this affects everyday citizens' lives. I don't think that I can afford this increase in subsidies. It seriously limits our ability to make ends meet at a time when we know that so many costs are going up, from groceries to electric bills and beyond.
No one's going to vote you out because you spoke to a Democrat and protected our health insurance. But people might vote you out if you just dig in your heels and, refuse to help us when you could have.